Got another remote start alarm installed here. Innovative car sound, this time on a Chevy Silverado body style 2003 to 2007 classic. Viper 5305. Lock, unlock, pop trunk for the cars, remote start. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system. The pager will begin to beep at you and let you know what's going on with the alarm. Has a blue LED light on the antenna. I'm going to reach in, open up the doors. And finally, remote start. Hit the orange button one time. Parking lights flash, and the engine will crank. Viper remote start alarm in stock, ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. And we'll see you guys on the next one.